Well, I'm pretty darn excited. I just got my new RV refrigerator, and I already took it out of the box. It was just a plain box. It wasn't anything but a plain box. So I did that part of the unboxing already. It doesn't have the handles on it yet. The inside, it's got the, you know, how cold you need to keep things. It comes with a light. Let's see. We've got a box of goodies here. Oh goodness, it's good. I probably need the bigger, oh, there we go, I got it. Okay, so it comes with a box of goodies. I'll look at that in a minute. It comes with a basket or just a bottom piece. So that's pretty cool. That'll help with, you know, capturing the water or keeping things above the water, because there will be some moisture down there. Here. All right. There's the 12-volt plug, handles, and directions, instruction manual, and what is this? I think, yeah, this is the regular 110 plug. So I can go either 110 or 12 volt. I like that a lot. I do have my RV wired up for both, for my refrigerator spot. Instruction manual, after sales service and warranty. Oop, I can upgrade a 2-year to a 3-year warranty. I might do that. Yep, I just have to scan the QR code and become a refrigerator club member. I'll look into that. All right, it gives the how to connect the power supply. Oh, it gives me the electrical schematic. That's pretty, trust me, that's important. That's nice that they've done that. Refrigerator operation. It's got a voltage protection level, which I've got, my bus has an additional one, so I don't need to worry about this, but this is good to know. Oh yeah, I want to show you this too. Let's see here. Let me just turn this around. So on the back side of it, you can see the fuse is right here, and you can get to it. There's some other name brand models where the fuse is actually in a really difficult to get to place, and I had one of those and ended up breaking the fuse holder and just all kinds of stuff because it was so difficult to get to. Well, if you need to change out your fuse, that's just ridiculous, right? So it's got the little thing. I can take this off when I'm, you know, when I get used to it, but it gives me the directions on how to turn it on and off, and how to hold it, to how to switch it from maximum or economic use. Contact us information, temperature control, and how to switch from centigrade to Fahrenheit, or back and forth from those two. So that's great. For me, having the light or the display thing at the back, so it'll be at the back of my cabinet and not shining real bright inside the interior of the bus. I kind of like that too. So anyway, I'm pretty excited about getting it installed and hooked up. I'm going to put the handles on there, and I'll come back and show you that in a sec. Okay, so I'm putting the handles on here. The instructions are very concise, super easy to read and understand, and they even give you the tool. So the handles have these little notches inside, so you know exactly where this needs to go. You put it in there, like so, and then just put the screws back in. I mean, it can't get any easier than that, can it? All right, so I've got the second handle on, and it's got a great spring load thing on it too, so I'm happy about that. It won't accidentally stick out. It's all ready for me to install. I'm not going to turn it on yet, only because I don't know how much it got tumbled around. There was an arrows up sign on the box, and when the delivery person dropped it off, it was sitting upright, but I can't swear to the hours past the last 2 or 3. So I'm gonna wait till tonight. It's midday right now, so I'll wait till tonight to plug it in so that it's got that 12 hours that I know for sure that it's been sitting upright.